Your mechanic would absolutely hate that you're watching this video, because what I'm about to show you doesn't just save you a little money, it can save you thousands. These aren't the same old WD-40 tricks you've seen recycled 100 times. These are the real-world fixes mechanics use behind closed doors, the ones that quietly wipe out entire repair jobs before they even start. And if you stick with me until the end, I'll give you the single WD-40 tip that can prevent a breakdown in the middle of a storm, something most drivers never learn until it's too late. Let's get into it. Hack number 17. The gunk on your paint you can feel but can't see. Run your fingers across your hood. Feel those tiny bumps? That's not dirt. That's sun-baked tar, tree sap, and bug residue glued into your clear coat. Scrubbing it only scratches your paint and ruins your shine. Instead, spray WD-40 on the spot and let it rest for a few minutes. Don't fight it, let it do the work. When you wipe, the grime melts off like butter, and the thin layer it leaves behind makes future messes less likely to stick. If that surprised you, wait until you see what it does to headlights. Hack number 16. Headlights that look new again in seconds. Cloudy headlights make even a nice car look 10 years older, and they cut visibility at night. People buy expensive kits or scrub with toothpaste like it's 2004. A light spray of WD-40, a wipe with a clean rag, and the clarity snaps back almost instantly. No sanding, no paste. It's not permanent, but if you've got a night drive, an inspection, or you just want your car to look alive again today, this is the fastest trick you'll find. And we're just warming up. Hack number 15. A cheap force field for your paint. Your paint is your car's armor. Tiny scratches from road salt, bushes, or gravel open the door to corrosion. Rust starts small and ends with holes. A quick mist of WD-40 along your lower panels, wheel arches, and door edges lays down a protective film that helps block moisture and salt. On shallow scratches, it even restores a temporary shine that hides the scuff. Drivers who do this before winter, their cars look newer for years. Hack number 14. The cleanest sticker removal you've ever seen. Old bumper stickers turn into sticky graveyards. People attack them with razor blades and destroy their paint. WD-40 dissolves that adhesive at the root. A quick spray, a minute of patience, and the residue wipes off like it was never there. No scratches, no whitening of the clear coat, no cursing in your driveway. Exterior done, but the stuff that drains your bank account, that's all hiding under the hood. Let's go. Hack number 13. The death of rusted bolts. Every mechanic has battled a bolt that refuses to budge. Lean on it too hard, and you snap it, and suddenly a $20 job becomes a $300 nightmare. Spray WD-40 on the threads, wait 5 minutes, and try again. It crawls into microscopic gaps, breaks the rust bond, and frees the bolt without force. For heavy rust, spray again and tap lightly with a hammer. This trick alone has saved more repairs than I can count. Hack number 12. Rust prevention that actually works. WD-40 was literally designed to push water off metal. Keep a set of tools in a damp garage? Spray them. Got a jack, tire iron, or spare rims starting to brown? Spray them. Live where winter salt eats cars alive? A light coating under the car, control arms, subframes, suspension parts, slows rust dramatically. Cars treated like this survive winters that destroy others. Hack number 11. The cure for squeaky car doors. Nothing says beat up car than a door hinge that screams. That squeaking is metal grinding metal, and eventually your hinge pins wear out. A small burst of WD-40 directly onto the hinge, a few open and close cycles, and the noise disappears instantly. Don't drown it. A little goes a long way. Hack number 8. Removing spark plugs without destroying the cylinder head. Spark plugs that haven't been touched in years can weld themselves in place. One bad twist, and you rip the threads out of the head, a disastrous, expensive mistake. Before touching a wrench, spray WD-40 at the base and let it soak. When you turn, go slow. If it fights you, tighten slightly, spray again, and ease it out. This method has saved countless engines from unnecessary repairs. Hack number 9. Locks that don't freeze shut. Winter hits, water sneaks into your locks, and suddenly your key won't turn. People pour hot water on it and make it worse. A small spray inside each lock, doors, trunk, ignition, drives out moisture and keeps ice from forming. 1 minute of prevention beats a ruined morning every single time. Hack number 8. Battery terminals that stay clean. That white crust on your battery steals power and kills your starts. Spray WD-40 on the terminals, brush away the corrosion, tighten everything up, and wipe clean. It restores a strong connection and slows future corrosion. Do this once every few months, and your entire electrical system stays healthier. Hack number 7. Stop moisture from killing spark plug wires. Rainy days plus weak or old wires equals misfires, rough idle, and random stalling. Spray WD-40 along the wires and around the boots. It pushes moisture out and restores a strong spark path. Even on newer cars, this prevents damp weather issues. Hack number 6. Protect every connector in your engine bay. Modern cars rely on dozens of tiny electrical connectors that hate water and salt. One corroded plug can trigger warning lights, sensor failures, or a no start. During maintenance, spray WD-40 inside connectors before snapping them back together. It blocks moisture and slows corrosion, keeping those expensive sensors alive far longer. Now let's head inside the car. Hack number 5. Removing crayon, gum, and sticky disasters. Kids plus cars equals chaos. Melted crayons, gum fused to carpet, sticky candy glued to seats. WD-40 breaks down wax, gum, and sugar-based residue at the source. Spray, wait a minute, lift with a cloth. No spreading, no panic scrubbing, no ruined fabric. Hack number 4. A dashboard that looks brand new. Dusty plastics age a car instantly. Instead of expensive interior sprays, mist WD-40 on a microfiber cloth, never directly on the dash, and wipe. It cuts dirt instantly, leaves a soft sheen, and helps repel dust so it stays cleaner longer. Hack number 3. Fixing slow, lazy seatbelts. When a seatbelt stops retracting, most people assume it's worn out or broken. Pull it all the way out, clean the belt, then give the retractor a tiny spritz. Run the belt a few times and it snaps back like it should. A 2-minute fix for a problem shops often charge to replace. Hack number 2. Power windows that stop sticking. If your window moves slow or squeaks, the tracks are drying out. Roll the window down, spray lightly into the rubber channels, then move the window up and down. The glide becomes smooth, quiet, and the motor doesn't strain. A simple trick that prevents regulators from burning out. And hack number 1, the emergency fix that can restart a flooded engine. Drive through heavy rain, hit a deep puddle, or get caught in a storm, and suddenly your car cranks but won't start. Moisture is killing your ignition spark. WD-40, Water Displacement Formula number 40, was built for this exact situation. Spray it on the distributor, ignition coils, spark plug wires, anything that got wet. It pushes moisture out instantly, restoring spark so the engine can fire again. This won't fix long-term damage, but in an emergency, it can get you safely home.